Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thanks to moderator and audience to giving me the opportunity to participate in International Conference IKOTESA 2022. So now let me introduce the speakers and the author team. The speakers today I am Ajeng Rahayu and the author team Muhammad Fahmi Nugraha and Yunita Sulistiani. And the title of the paper is Design and Build an Information System for Management of Incoming and Outgoing Mail Archives based on a website at the Bandung Subdrive Logistics Affairs Agency or BULOG. First of our abstract is the design of information system for managing incoming and outgoing mail archives is made to solve problems that occur in the agency for logistics affairs or BULOG. Subdrive Bandung in terms of managing mail archives, namely manual mail archives management causing data loss. This research was made based on a method approach in collecting the information data needed in order to make a description of the situation event. While the system development method used is the RUP, Rational Unified Process, model with OOAD, Object-Oriented Analysis Design, where the development tool is in the form of UML, Unified Modeling Language. The purpose of the research and from the interviews that have been carried out, the solution to overcome the above problem is to create a website-based mail archive system that can be accessed anytime and anywhere. Preliminary. From the incoming and outgoing mail procedures described above, this applicable information system has several weaknesses, namely, the first, difficulty in searching mail archive data, allows for the loss and damage of email archive data because it uses paper media that is recorded in the agenda book and storage media that uses a lot of space. And it takes a long time to create a mail archive report. Management of mail archives is limited because it can only be done in the office, so access to mail archives is limited. Method. This information system was built using the PHP or Hypertext Preprocessor web programming language. PHP is widely used in the development of web-based information system and can be used for other uses as well. OOAD method with RUP, Rational Unified Process model, the RUP stage are inception or beginning, elaboration, inspection or planning, construction, and transition. RUP uses an object-oriented concept with activities that focus on model development using UML, Unified Model Language. Namely, use case diagrams, activity diagrams, class diagrams, sequence diagrams. Rational Unified Process, abbreviated as RUP, is a method with the concept used, namely object-oriented, inception or beginning. In this stage, focuses on modeling business modeling and explains the needs of the system to be designed. The following are the stages of the RUP. The first one, inception or beginning. In this stage, the focus is on business modeling. Elaboration or inception or planning. At this stage, perform a system analysis and design along with system implementation or prototype. Next, construction. Focus on developing system in components and features. There is also a program code implementation. Transition at this stage focuses on the installation of the system that aims to be understood by the user. Activities in this stage are user training. maintenance and system testing whether the system is in accordance with what the user expects. System analysis and design. Business process. In the business use case, model can describe the relationship between the actor's business and the system. An actor is an entity that interacts with the system to perform certain. An actor is an entity that interacts with the system to perform certain jobs. The following is the business object model on the incoming and outgoing mail archive management information system at the Bandung Subdrive Logistics Affairs Agency or Bulog. Identification of user needs. From the result of the information that is designed to be able to help and facilitate the company and users according to their needs. The identification of user needs is as follows. The first, the system created and assists administrative and financial assistant managers in managing mail archives such as mail, file data input, and mail data search and can make transaction at any time. The system created can assist branch leader in making disposition. The system created can keep archive data more secure. The system created can make reports of incoming and outgoing letters easier. Information needs. Information needs must be able to produce accurate and precise information so that it can meet good qualification. The information needs for the information system for managing incoming and outgoing mail records needed can be seen in the table. Application needs. The following are the required application requirements. Use case diagrams. Use case diagrams can describe the activities and interactions between actors and interrelated systems. There are several symbols in describing use case diagrams, namely use case diagram, actors, and relationship. The following is a use case of designing an information system for management of incoming and outgoing mail archives based on a website at the Logistic Affairs Agency or Bulog Subdrives Bandung. Activity diagrams. With the activity diagram, you can find out the workflow or work activities of a system. The following is an activity diagram of designing an information system for management of incoming and outgoing mail archives based on a website at the Logistics Affairs Agency or Bulog Subdrive Bandung. Sequence diagram describes interactions that show the behavior of a system that has interaction between objects arranged in sequence based on time. Class diagram describes the structure of the system in terms of defining the classes that will be made to build a system. The following is a class diagram of design and build information system for archive management of incoming and outgoing letters based on the website at the Logistic Affairs Agency or Bulog. Bandung Subdrives. Hardware configuration. Hardware configuration, which is a description of the structure and relationship between the overall cycle system components, because if you want to access the system, you need an internet network. Testing and implementation. System implementation. System implementation in the final stage in application development. This website-based mail archive application is designed to be implemented for employees at Bandung Subdrive Logistic Affairs Agency or Bulog. The target users to use the application are The first, Assistant Manager of Administration and Finance as the division at Manage Mail Archive. Branch leaders to view mail archives and to be able to make disposition to employees through the website. Employees of the Bandung Subdrive Logistics Affairs Agency or Bulog to see the letter that was disposed of to them. Testing. Black box testing is a test of focuses on the functional specification of the system that has been made. Testing with black box testing is done by identifying the input so that it can be seen where the error lies. Black box testing is a system test that is carried out by entering inputs such as data into a form so that it can fulfill the functional requirements of program. The following are the results of testing using black box testing. Administration and Finance Manager Assistant Function Test. Conclusion. By using the information system of managing incoming and outgoing mail archive based on website at the Bandung Subdrive Logistics Affairs Agency or Bulog, the following conclusion can be drawn. First, make it easier to search archive data for incoming and outgoing mail, can minimize the occurrence of data loss and damage, can make it easier to view reports if at any time the leadership needed. Can make it easier to access the system because by using an information system archive, incoming and outgoing mail can be done anywhere and anytime. That's all my presentation. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.